Okay. The hand wheels, the quill, or y-axis, or x-axis.
Do you use these wheels much when you were running the machine?
I use them a lot for facing parts, almost exclusively.
Okay.
Using some for touching off, but not a lot.
Okay. What other kind of features do you want to show me?
We have air blast. I don't have the coolant lines hooked up. Let's show you the air. Maybe I can show you the air. That can,
So you just use air, you're not using coolant? Or you just don't have it hooked up right now?
I just don't have it hooked up.
Okay.
We can move the machine over here.
Okay.
Yeah. So we have coolant wash down in the basin.
Okay.
Obviously the two bigger ones here for coolant, and the two smaller ones are for air.
Okay.
So
and the ATCs said hold 16 parts?
Yep, 16 tools.
Cat 40 tooling?
Cat 40. And there's additional access to ATC over on this side. Kind of hard to get to right now, but if you wanted to pop them through.
Okay. Looks like your waves are in good shape.
Yeah. They're linear guide machine.
Okay.
And they're all in great shape.
Okay.
All through, of course.
Any other features? You want to tell me anything about your controls here?
Down your touch screen, obviously. We're set up 3-axis, 4-axis available, but we don't have that package.
You have the software option, you just don't have the hardware.
Right. We always ran USB, and we would just enter it in from here and pretty much run programs off the USB and had no problems.
Okay.
That's how we operate it. Programming gets
okay.
Obviously, automatically lubricated weighs.
Yeah, weigh lube.
Yeah.
Yeah. It looks like you have a little chiller here on for the
cabinet chiller.
Cabinet chiller for the where you have all the cards and stuff.
Yeah, I'll let you get a picture in there.